You never wait for me.
Oh.
Alright.
Got it.
You ready?
Got it.
It's going. And go.
Hello.
Hawkins here.
Me, Bucky Hawkins.
And today we have...
The Bambox.
We got a Bambox.
Yeah, I think it's Bambox.
I don't know if this is horror or pop culture. Do you?
I don't know.
You don't know either? We do have a slight little dent here. But overall, I mean, the box looks good condition. We've been waiting for this one for a while. Do you remember what's in it?
I don't know.
I don't remember what's in this box either, but we're about to find out.
Yeah.
So,
I hope they're mini nuts or like the other ones.
You ready to cut it up?
Yeah, I'm going to watch that one.
You watch out? Alright.
And I'm going to Mabel's going to pull out stuff.
Mabel's going to pull out stuff. Alright, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice and easy.
We got
First one's the pen.
We got a pen first.
Oh. We dropped it. Get it back. Get it back. Who do we got? Oh, dude, so terrible with the pens. Who is that?
Don't know.
I don't know either. You're seeing it somewhere in front of me right now.
You're down there.
This is only out of 250, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's a low number. Should we see what number we got real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's see what number. What's the number do you think we got?
Think 2C9.
29?
Yeah.
Tootsie 9. Apparently that's 29 nowadays. And, ooh, we got 63 of 200. That's a low number.
Oh, I love
number
that
runners.
number. I thought you'd be that number for.
Yeah, unless you got like number 1 or 250.
Yeah.
Or, yeah. So, but that's cool. All right, let's put that back on there. And we'll set this aside. What's next?
I don't know.
Well, let's find out.
Here, choose me, please. I think it was
Right.
something. No, I didn't do it.
Let's do that last.
No, I
Let's
didn't.
do it last. Let's do this one.
No.
Alright, I guess we're going to do what's in the black bag. What's in the black bag? What is that? Oh, I know it felt metal. What is that? Liston City, 700 feet. Why don't I know this? That's really cool. I mean, this is a...
Metal.
Yeah, metal sign.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is that? And I'll have pictures of it, of course. You'll see that.
And you think you can put on our house?
Wait.
We got one of those.
Was this... Liston City? No, I don't know. We'll find out on the cheat sheet here in a minute. So let's set that to the side. All right, next. That's awesome, though. I like it.
What art paint? What that art paint? I think he got paint on.
I don't like it. I don't like political stuff.
I don't like it. I don't like political.
Especially in pop culture stuff. Because, yeah.
Daddy, I'm going to fall asleep.
I guess it's Iron Man. And we do have a certificate of authenticity.
I'm going to fall asleep.
So,
Daddy, I'm going to fall asleep.
you're going to fall asleep? There's our art print. Alright. So, I think we got a bonus item because usually these only come with an art print. Usually, like maybe a signature and then the pen, right? We got or maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, wake up. I guess I'm boring. Oh, what's next? What's next?
There's no art paint
Alright.
in here.
That's a signature. Careful with it. And who do we... Farscape. I do remember because they were... Yeah, because originally they were going to have Firefly in this box. And it got changed to Farscape. But I do love Farscape. Farscape's a fun show. Maybe one day we'll watch that show together. Yeah? So check that out. Even though I'm showing you a picture somewhere. Yeah, so who autographed this?
I don't know. Hey, you
yeah,
don't know, Daddy?
I'm not going to try to say the last name, or the name, is it Gigi? I said I wasn't going to, but...
We got cool
Eddie or
art
something,
paint.
who played...
Next. Who want to do next? Next.
Cool. Okay,
Daddy,
we're going
Daddy,
next.
we got
I like it,
cool
though.
art paint.
I like the picture alone. Alright, let's see, what do we got?
We got that.
We got the celebrity autograph.
Yeah.
The pen is from
And
the
that.
Joker. Okay, so I guess that's the Joker. I
That.
haven't seen it. So that could be
And
why.
look, we got that. What is that?
Yeah, you do have 4 solid items.
What's
This
that?
is cool.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, look at the 99, the limited edition pen. That's even cooler, isn't it? And then they do have a monthly giveaway. I believe you have to be a subscriber or to the
We
box.
already got that.
You get it?
That's where
Yeah.
I'm going to.
Okay, I'm gonna have to look up and see what's up with the movie prop because
Hey,
we could have used one of our favorite road signs from one
we
of our
got
favorite
this.
movies.
and this.
Yeah, for some reason I'm drawing a blank on what the road sign's from. So if you know where the road sign's from, drop it in the comments below because
comments section and come back soon.
and then come back soon so then we can know.
Yes.
And let me know what
so we
pen you like.
knows we're gonna have zombie box
Yeah, because
after
the limited edition
Big
99 pen looks really cool, but you know it's like fun. But honestly, the best looking pen looks like it was the common pen this time. Cool, great box. That's everything. As always, there's a link below to the Bambox, and we enjoy doing this Bambox. Yeah, so we should have our other Bambox here in the next couple days. Hopefully, everybody have a great day, and don't forget to
like and subscribe and bye.
Bye.